Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Gypsy Wife Life. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I got this super gorgeous hair. I feel like my hair just looks so cute right now. And I'm also going to be doing an outfit of the day. But first, we're gonna start off with an unboxing. I'm gonna be showing you what I used to get this hairstyle, and then I'm gonna show you how I got it. So let's get right into it. So this is going to be my outfit of the day. I have everything laid out and ready, including the lint roller, because I do have 3 long-haired cats. They are ragdolls and their fur is all white. So as you can see here on my little black bodysuit, I'm going to be wearing, there's lots of cat hair, so I'm going to be lint rolling that. But the jeans I'm going to be wearing, I've had these forever. They are Abercrombie. They just look like this. They've got some little rips and tears and stuff. So this is just a full-bodied bodysuit. There's no snaps or anything there. It's just a plain black bodysuit, and then a blue jean jacket from Aeropostale. And then this is the jewelry I'm going to be wearing today. All 3 pieces are rose gold, so I'm going to be pairing the outfit with the rose gold coin necklace, rose gold bangles, and diamond rose gold earrings. So my hair is looking wild right now. We are going to fix it in just a bit, but I wanted to do a little unboxing first to show you this package. I know outer packaging doesn't mean a lot to some, but I get a little obsessed with outer packaging, and this one is the cutest. It looks like a mermaid tail. So it's like silver with the iridescent. It's just absolutely adorable. Okay, so I've already opened the package, but I'm doing an unboxing with y'all this time. So this is what the box looks like. It's absolutely beautiful, baby pink. It's got these gorgeous girls on it on the front and back. So this is from the company Mermade Hair. I'm gonna have them linked down below so you can check out their website. If you go to their website, you're going to be automatically obsessed because all of their hair tools look absolutely beautiful, and I want all of them just because they are so cute. Very aesthetically pleasing. So this is the outer box. It just gives you some information that it's a pro waver. This is in the shade pink. You can find them at mermaid.hair, #mermaidhair. So it says create big bouncy waves instantly. The features are advanced ceramic barrel and auto shut off. You know I love that. And then also ultimate heat protection glove. So it does come with a heat protecting glove. So let's do a little unboxing now. See what she looks like. I've obviously already seen her, but you haven't yet. Ah, she's so cute. So this is the glove that it comes with. It's a heat protecting glove, just in case you need to use one. Super cute and pink. And this is the mermaid waver. I cannot wait to use this. I don't think I've ever used one this big before. She looks amazing. Let's take this plastic off. Okay, so here it is. Pink and gray. This is gonna be so fun. So we've got a super long wire here. Let me take these little ties off. I'm gonna plug it up and check out the settings, let it heat up, and then we're gonna start waving the hair. Also, because this product is from a brand called Mermade Hair, and it is like a mermaid hair waver, I did my makeup today like this, which is kind of like inspired by a mermaid. So on the front here, there's a digital screen that shows the temperature. It does have this little thing here, which I love, so you can set it down and it won't burn any surfaces. Here's the on button. So I've got it turned on, and then the heat settings go from 180 all the way up to 410. So I'm gonna lower this just a little bit, maybe about 380, even though you're supposed to use lower temperatures for thinner hair, higher temperatures for thicker hair, which I do believe is what you should go by, but sometimes it does depend on your hair, like your hair personally. And I do have a funny texture of hair, so I tend to go with the higher temperatures just because I've learned over the years that it works best for my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and let her heat up. I did apply a heat protector to my hair. This is actually yesterday's hair. This was Sunday's hair, okay? This was church hair. So I did put some dry shampoo at my roots, not because my hair was looking too rough, but I did put my fingers in my hair a lot yesterday. Like, I was flipping it a lot. So I did put some dry shampoo in there. And like I said, I do have a heat protector on. So I'm gonna go ahead and separate my hair from my ears up. I'm gonna pull the top half up and we're gonna work on the bottom first. I'm so excited to try this hair tool out. I really want to try out some of their other products they have on their website. Everything just looks so cute and looks like it works so well. I absolutely love hair wavers. I love wavy hair, so I am excited about this today. Okay, so she's already heated up. That did not take long at all. I've never owned one this wide before, so it's actually gonna cover a lot of hair at one time, which is awesome. Okay, let's get started. So I'm gonna clamp it down and then just continue to go down my hair. Okay, so we've got one part done. She looks so cute. Also, these work great on thick hair. They look amazing on thick hair, but if your hair is on the thinner side like mine, this is going to make your hair look thick and full without even trying. And I love that for my hair. Okay, so we got one side done. You can already tell, like, compared to this little straight side, this one's already kind of like sitting outwards and it already looks thicker. It looks so cute. I'm just gonna continue on the other side now. And I'm almost done with the bottom part of my hair already. Now normally I would leave the ends of my hair out, whether I'm curling it or waving it, but because this barrel is so wide, it's actually getting all of my hair, which is a good thing. I used to leave the ends of my hair out of my curling irons because where my hair is pretty long, not all of the curling irons would fit all of my hair. So I would leave the ends out, but this one's actually wide enough that it's getting all of my hair. So I'm done with this bottom half here. Already loving it, can't wait to do the rest. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my hair out of the clip. I'm gonna go ahead and brush it again because I just don't want any tangles in there because I'm not gonna brush it afterwards. My hair gets tangled so easily, by the way. Boop. I'm gonna split it down the middle and then separate here and clip this all to the side. Okay, so I'm just going to continue crimping. So as I mentioned, this waver is from the brand Mermade Hair. This waver is a triple barrel. It's also known as a 3-barrel curling tong. So it has 3 side-by-side curling wands that creates deep, gorgeous waves. This one is pretty wide, which is a good thing because it covers a larger area, which means it'll take less time to do your hair. It heats up super fast. It works super fast. So you're literally not wasting any time at all. You can use this waver on straight hair like mine, which will create waves, or on wavy hair to define your natural waves, and you can even use it on curly hair. So this waver is actually perfect for anyone. Of course, I was in the middle of filming and my SD card ran out of memory, so I had to switch it really quick. I hate when that happens, but it happens every time I'm filming. So anyways, I'm almost done with my whole head, y'all, and I am loving my results. It's literally so easy to use. I mean, as you can see, I'm basically doing it one-handed, just using one hand and moving down my hair. Beyond easy. Okay, now we're gonna work on the other side.
Keep on acting out like strangers, scream out loud.
So I'm gonna pull all of the hair that's done towards the back so I can actually work on the back pieces of my hair. I'm gonna do it with my head turned over like this, and then I'll just flip it backwards. Okay, so now we're at the last few pieces and I'm just gonna finish it off. I do need to decide what I want to do with my bangs though. Just my little front pieces here. I might just leave them as is.
But I told you so.
Okay, so I'm officially done with my whole head. I absolutely love this. I did not put anything in my hair for body, so what you're seeing is just natural body. That's why I said if you have thinner hair like me, these type of tools bring tons of body to your hair. I mean, look at it. Y'all know my hair is not even this thick, but look how thick and luscious and gorgeous it looks. However, if you've been following me for a while, you know I like a little volume at the crown, so I'm gonna do just a little bit of teasing, which is gonna make my hair look even more fuller. I'm just gonna take a thin layer here at the top using this comb, and I'm just going to tease like that, and again on the other side. And then also I'm gonna do a little bit of the back. Beautiful. So I'm gonna pick up this piece here. Now just with my fingers I'm going to shake my roots a little bit just to kind of loosen up that tease. And voila. So I decided to leave my bangs as is because I really didn't want to crimp them, and they kind of just flow with the rest of the hair anyway. I am absolutely loving this. I highly recommend this tool. It worked great. It heated up fast. It worked fast. I literally done my hair within minutes, and I think it looks absolutely adorable, and I love my hair is looking shiny. It's looking full.
Believe me, I guess I'll take it back. There's a party downtown.
So now that I'm done with my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and finish accessorizing, put on my bracelet, my earrings, and then I am gonna be putting on my blue jean jacket. So I'm gonna show you my full outfit, except for my shoes, because I'm not putting on my shoes yet. And I also want to show you the back of my hair, which I haven't even looked at yet, so we're gonna see that together. Hopefully it looks super cute.
If we do, then if we don't, then if we give in what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around.
Alright, so I'm throwing on my jacket, and then I'm gonna give you a look at the outfit.
To what we want.
So yeah, that is my wavy hair look of the day, my little makeup of the day, and my outfit of the day. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like. If you haven't subscribed yet and you like my content, hit that subscribe button. And if you have anything to say, leave it down below in the comments. Also, don't forget to check out Mermaid hair. Check out the Mermaid Waver. This product works great and I love it. And if you're not looking for one for yourself, you could also purchase this as a gift because Christmas is right around the corner. And this would be the perfect gift. So anyways, I will see y'all next time. Again, thanks so much for watching. Bye!